Ako si Jay ng Cyclogoons at ito ang first episode ng Cyclo-Check. Frame set, the project triple tri. Fork, the project chromo. Then sa cockpit natin, Ritchie stem, Ritchie Ventor Max na handlebar, Brooks bar tape, Tektro lever, God and Famous na top cap. Then seat post Ritchie rin 27.2, Brooks saddle. Then sa wheel set, sa rims H plus on TB14, lace to Mickey hubs, then pillar spokes, WTB Nano 700 by 40. Sa rear end ganun rin, TB14 H plus on Mickey hubs, WTB Nano 700 by 40. Sa brake set natin, the Project Long Reach caliper. Then yung cable natin is Jaguar. Sa drivetrain, Mickey crank arm, All City 46 teeth chain ring, Izumi Tough Guard chain, MKS Always pedal, then Profile Elite 18 teeth hub, hindi pala hub, 18 teeth free wheel. Then accessories natin, dito meron tayong adapter topic, then Specialized sea cage, mash bottle. Sa handlebar bag natin is Built Cycle Concord handlebar bag, Chrome Industries feed bag, abnormal saddle bag. Sa light natin, Gaseron. Then yung bell natin, yung busina natin is Crane ENE bell. Yun lang. Peace.